Welcome to schoolexcel.tech. To assign interactive books to students effectively, log on to your school account first. Then go to My Interactive Book menu. All of the class books are visible in the Student Books menu. Click to Assign Class menu. Next, choose books according to class. For example, I'm selecting the nursery class. Then click on the Assign Class button, select Nursery Class and save. Log in to Student Account. Then click on My Interactive Book. The student's personalized book is displayed here. To open the book, click on it. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns regarding school ERP, please call 937-03102, 36 or 869892 22922, or drop a message in the group.